Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be working with wafer paper. So for this we need this wafer paper that I have stenciled on. If you don't know how to stencil on your wafer paper, I have a video. You can check the link below to see how I stenciled it. So we are going to be cutting them into tiny pieces and we are going to be sticking it on our cake. So let's get started now. So I'm going to be tearing my wafer paper into pieces. I don't have any particular sizes, so feel free to tear it into whatever sizes that you want. I'm not using a scissors. I just want it to look organic, if that's the word for it. Okay, so we are going to be using a paint brush and we are going to be gluing it to the body of our cake. Okay, so this glue I'm using is just CMC put in water. So if this is your first time on my channel and you like what you are seeing, please look below and click on the subscribe button, and please do not forget to give us a thumbs up so that other people can get to see what we do here. We are all about fondant. We like to work with wafer paper. We like to work with cake recipes. We just love caking it. So give us a thumbs up, share the videos with your friend, and also do not forget to drop your comments. We really love to hear from you. Thank you so much. So let's keep gluing all our pieces in no particular order. Okay, that's the funny thing about this cake design. You don't have to be perfect. You just keep gluing them in any particular way you like. So in this particular video, I'm kind of slanting them to the side. Okay, so I'll just be pasting them until I am done. Have you ever been in a situation where you are looking for what to do, a cake design to do on your cake, and you just don't know what to do, as in you are blank? You look for ideas from your phone gallery, from the internet, you even ask for solution from people, and it just seems like your brain has gone on a vacation. Have you ever been in that situation before? Actually, I was in that situation when I was trying to do this cake, and I didn't know what to do, and my eyes just sighted my wafer paper that I had stenciled before now, and I said to myself, let me just cut them into pieces actually and just do it. And that's how I just came about this design. I just cut them into different pieces, put them like you are seeing, and then you are going to see the way I'm going to end it. Just make sure you watch to the end so that you can see the ending of this video. Meanwhile, let's talk in the comment section. All right, so I am done. Okay, so I decided to use fondant mold, okay, just to create a lace effect at the corner of my cake. So you can use any fondant mold of your choice, create a design. Whatever you have can work. You can also put some draggies at the corner. I saw that somewhere. It was not for this kind of design, okay, but if you are doing this on buttercream, you can put your draggies, because your buttercream is a bit soft, it can work, okay. So this was actually a fondant covered cake, so I decided to use a fondant mold to make this lace. And because I wanted it to look different from the body of the cake, the body of the cake is white, I decided to use gold, edible gold dust to paint the lace so that it can stand out. And I also decided to use the gold dust to highlight the wafer papers so that it can pop out too. So just keep watching. So what I'm actually doing now is just dusting out the cornstarch that I used while making my lace, okay. And at the corner I have put my wafer paper flower. I love making wafer paper flowers, in case you didn't know, okay. So I have mixed my gold dust with some edible spirit, and I am doing my painting now. Can you see how beautifully it's turning out? You can see now that the lace is actually more visible and more attractive. So now, like I said, I'm going to be using the edible gold dust again on the edges of my wafer paper to just pop them out. They are not sticking to the body of the cake. They are kind of out of the body of the cake, so it's going to make it look more beautiful. So this cake design was for a birthday cake. You can do this on a wedding cake, you can do this for any kind of cake, and you can use different colors. Just imagine how it will be. So if you are going to be trying it, please let me know in the comment section. Remember to tag me. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We love you all. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our videos. And we also have online classes. If you are interested, we have lots and lots of online classes that can teach you how to work with fondant. We have baking classes, we have wafer paper classes, and we also have how to become a small chop boss. Yes, if you are interested in learning how to make small chops. So thank you so much. I love you all.